Sing with me Russian and Yiddish song sessions are open to everyone. You can just join us, have fun, learn a whole load of new repertoire, meet fantastic people from all over the world. If you don't know Russian, if you don't know Yiddish, you will still be able to sing these songs. If you are an advanced singer and you perform your own solo concert, you will learn a whole load of new songs. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Nobody will even hear you unless you want to sing a solo in our session. We start with a little warm-up. Then I show you the melody, then we go through text, make sure that everyone understands every single word in the songs. Dremelt achuter farzun. And nasha, our, дружба, friendship. So drug is friend, дружба is friendship. Сильнее is stronger. And of course, I give you context, history of the song. We talk about the poem, we talk about the poet, we talk about the composer, whatever we can squeeze into a 40 to 45-minute session. 26. Just approaching 27, not like Pushkin. Pushkin was almost 37, and that's early. Now, Lermontov was a totally different story. He rebelled, he wanted trouble, he wanted something different, like in that poem. There is quite a lot of feedback. I ask people how they feel, I ask people what the songs remind them of. I like us to share our ideas and our perception of these melodies. Yeah, okay, Steve. Might mean something. We lead to dancing, as we say. We've done 70 of these since the beginning of the lockdown. Now we're launching Sing With Me Yiddish and Russian Sessions 2nd edition in September. You sing! Chorus! Welcome. How is that?
Beautiful.
Very nice.